Yes, children, today we will discuss about different uses of plant. First one, plants gives us food. All the foods which we take, all we get from the plants only. These foods are also categorized into different category. So first one, cereals. Okay, the grains which are called cereals. So what are these? Oats, wheat, wheat, gehu, barley, rice, millet, corn, sorghum. These grains are called cereals which we get from the plant. Now we get pulses also from the plant, different types of dal that we take. Cowpea, green pea, red lentils, musur dal, mung bean, chickpea and soybean. Next, we get different types of fruits having different flavors and having different colors. That also we get from the plants only, like orange, pear, strawberry. So many different types of fruits that we enjoy taking, we get from plants only. Now we get vegetables also from the plants. So these are the picture of vegetables: tomato, cauliflower, cabbage, capsicum, onion, then broccoli is there, then chili is there. So these are all vegetables which we take and we get from plant only. So we get spices also from the plant. Spices are used to increase the flavor of the any type of curry. Nutmeg, coriander means dhania, cumin means jeera, peppercorn means gulmaris, cinnamon means dalchini, then elaichi, cardamom means elaichi, fennel means sof, cloves mean long. These are all comes under spices that we get from plants only. Now we eat different parts of a plant. So what are the parts we take from the plant? Are roots, beetroot, carrot and radish. These are the examples of roots that we take. Stem, what are the stem we eat? Potato. Potato is a stem. Sweet potato, sugarcane, asparagus. And we eat we eat leaves of the plant also. So what are leaves? Coriander, dhania, spinach means palak, fenugreek means methi patta. Okay. Now we eat seeds of some plants like rajma, peas and corn, etc. We eat flowers of some plant. Flowers also we edible. So what are the name of the flower which are edible? This is, as you can, this is a banana flower we take, and this is a very good source of iron. Then cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli. We get other useful things too from plants. We get wood from plants. We also get wood from the plants. We make what we do with the wood. We make windows, furniture with it. We get cotton fiber from plant. We get jute fiber from jute plants. So uses of plant you can see. Plants gives us paper and the wood. So whatever writing work we are doing in white paper, that is also we get from the plants only. Spoons, this chopstick, wooden pencil, wooden bat, wooden door, wooden chair, all these are the product of plants only. Now clothes are made from cotton fiber which we get from cotton plant, and linen fiber, jute and cotton fibers are also used to make ropes and mats, etc. So clothes also, what we are wearing, the clothes, that's also we get from the plants. Number 3, we get sunflower oil from sunflower. We get mustard oil by crushing mustard seed. We get coconut oil from coconuts. So from the picture you can see plants used for extracting cooking oil. These are all the cooking oils which we use to make different types of recipes and curry. That oil also we get from plants. Rubber plant gives us eraser and tire. So this is a picture of rubber plant. We get eraser and tire. We use different means of transport, but that transport also with the help of wheel we go, and that wheel is made up of plants only. Flower of few plants are used to prepare perfumes, scent. खुशबू के लिए भी ये यूज़ होता है. Plant help to keep air clean and fresh. Now, these perfumes are also made from different types of plant. Now, what are the example of the plant which are used to make perfumes? Are so many. Jasmine is there, rose, champa. All these are the examples of the flower which are used to make perfumes. It is not enough to say that plants are useful. In fact, we depend on plants. Life of animals and other living things go on without plants, cannot go off without plants. So plants are very useful. So whatever we take, whatever we wear, all are the products of plants only. So with the help of sunlight, air, and comfort and soil and the perfect temperature, the plants grows. And plants, with the help of photosynthesis, they prepare food for us. And how they prepare? They take in carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. And what we do, we give out carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is taken by the plant and they give out oxygen and keeps the air clean and fresh. Now, plants are very important. We must plant more trees so that our environment remains clean. Now, care of plants at home. At home, how we will care your plants. Like humans, plants also need water, otherwise they may die. So, water the plants regularly. The plants make their food and grow using sunlight. So, make sure they get enough sunlight. Plants breathe through leaves, so clean the leaves regularly. Now, how you will do care of the plant at the public place? Like park and garden, don't walk on the grass harshly. Don't pluck leaves, flowers and branches of the trees. Do not scratch or write on the tree trunk. Now, this way you can take care of the plants at public place. Some parts of a plants have leaves. These leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Most leaves are green in color. Leaves prepare food for the plant. So these are the picture of some of the leaves. So from the picture you can see that the biggest leaf is of which plant? Banana plant. Okay. Most plants have flowers and flowers become fruits. So some of the example of the flowers which became fruits are peach flower and peach fruit. Apple flower, after that they become apple fruit. Now plants are also having thorns, kante. Some plants have thorns. Thorns protect plants from their enemies. So this is the picture of rose plant. It's having thorns. Bougainvillea is also having some thorns. And this is the picture of cactus plant that is also full of thorns. Manure from plants. Khad. Plant waste is used as manure for the growth of other plants. Look. So what plants, each and every part, even if the plant dies, they are also important and they also is very valuable. Medicinal plants such as aloe, tulsi, neem, turmeric and ginger cure several common ailments. These are considered as home remedies in many parts of the country. So what are the medicinal value of the plant? They are used to make different types of medicines. Now some activities there based on this. Collect some leaves and flowers, press them between newspaper and put some weight over them. When they are flat and dry, stick them in your scrapbook and write their names under them. Now another activity is follow the above steps, then do the following activity. What activity you do? With the dry leaves you can make different types of shapes by pasting it. Owl is there. This is a picture of rat, bird, then this one is the rabbit. So different types of animals you can make pasting with the help of dry leaves. So some of the question: name any two plants of medicinal importance. What are the two plants you will name? Neem, tulsi. Give the importance of cotton plant. Yes, cotton plant helps to give us cotton fiber that are help to make cotton plant clothes. What is the sunflower oil used for? Sunflower oil is used to prepare curries and different types of recipes. Any two examples of food from seeds of the plant. So what are the seeds we take? Corn, rajma. Which part of the plant is used to make perfume? Flowers. Now true and false. Eucalyptus is used to make tire. No, it's false. Rubber plant is used to make paper. False. We get most of our food from plants. Yes, true. Clove is a spice. Yes, true. Now identify. This is a riddle. I am a tree. My leaves are bitter in taste. I am used in medicine. What is my name? So bitter in taste mean it should be neem. Now fill in the blanks is there. Human being inhale dash from air, oxygen from air, and exhale. They give out carbon dioxide. Grains like arhar dal and moong dal are called pulses. Grains like rice, wheat, or oats are called cereals. Perfume is made from plant. Choose the correct answer. And which part of the plant is used to make perfume? Flowers. Fill the blanks. Carrot is a root. Then dash and dash helps in control air pollution, plants and trees. Cord is a seed. So this much for today. Hope you have understood the different uses of plant. So children, try to plant more and more trees. And thank you.